I remember Michigan. You let me in with open arms, and that was it. Silly games and deepest truths. I watched you do the things that normal families do. And it came to my surprise, there was fighting but no bite. Instead of walls and drawing lines, you grow closer every time. And I have a lot to learn. Obligation left me bruised. Then you came and loved me new. And now I know family is you. I remember Illinois, where you learned that I like girls and I like boys, puffy eyes and clumsy hugs. I could almost hear my heart say, this is love. And it came to my surprise, I could live an open life. And you welcome every time, there is more of me to find. And I have a lot to learn. Expectation left me bruised. Then you came and loved me new. And now I know that family is you. I remember wedding day, Mom and Dad in Colorado, miles away. But something happened as you prayed. The whole